In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ensure your brand stays consistent in Artistly AI. Consistency is extremely important for branding because it helps your content look more professional and instantly recognizable across different platforms. First, choose a clear visual style for your brand. This includes colors, lighting, fonts, image style, and overall mood. Try to keep these elements similar in every project you create. Next, save your favorite prompts and style profiles inside Artistly AI. This makes it much easier to reuse the same visual style without rebuilding everything from scratch. You should also use consistent characters, backgrounds, and color palettes whenever possible. Repeating familiar visual elements helps strengthen your brand identity. Another helpful tip is avoiding random style changes between projects. Switching from realistic designs to cartoon styles too often can make your branding feel inconsistent. After generating images, use editing and upscale tools to refine quality and maintain a polished professional appearance. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.